Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple MagSafe charger troubleshooting and placement, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have your Apple MagSafe charger and your compatible iPhone or MagSafe accessory ready. First, identify an appropriate placement area for your MagSafe charger. Make sure the surface is clean, flat, and free from any obstructions. Next, plug the MagSafe charger into a power source. Use a USB-C power adapter that meets the recommended wattage for optimal performance. Now, place your iPhone or accessory directly onto the charger. Ensure that the magnetic alignment is secure, allowing for a comfortable connection. Observe if the charging animation appears on your device's screen. If your device does not charge, lift it off and reposition it to confirm proper alignment. Sometimes, debris or cases may interfere with the connection. If you experience charging issues, try removing any case or cover from your device. If the charger still doesn't work, test it with another compatible device to isolate the problem. To further troubleshoot, check the power outlet and ensure it is functioning correctly. If you notice the charger gets warm, that's a normal part of the charging process. However, if it feels excessively hot, cease use and consult Apple support. Keep the charging area well ventilated to avoid overheating during prolonged use. Finally, if difficulties persist, consider restarting your device or looking for software updates. This completes the guide on setting up and troubleshooting your Apple MagSafe charger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.